Fairy rings are fungi that create mushroom circles in turf and lawns. In many cases, fairy rings won't cause severe damage. However, their presence often indicates an environment that can encourage other fungus or disease development. In this video, we'll show you how to identify fairy rings, reduce the conditions that promote fairy ring growth, and prevent fairy rings from growing in the future. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Fairy rings create round, circular patches of abnormal growth. They can grow as large as 15 feet in diameter, often with different textures and colors from the surrounding grass. Fairy rings can be categorized into three types. The first type features a ring of dead or brown grass. The grass dies due to poor water absorption. The second type features a ring of dark green grass, usually because the area has high nitrogen, which overstimulates the turf. The third type is identifiable by mushrooms growing in a circle. Mushrooms often appear during wet conditions. You may also find mycelial threads growing in the circle rather than the regular fruiting bodies of mushrooms. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Fairy rings can be active throughout the year, but appear more often from late summer to fall after wet weather. They favor areas with dense thatch and where there is a large amount of decomposing organic matter in the soil. Fairy rings may also grow where there is low soil fertility and poor water absorption. Fairy rings are common problems in lawns, grasslands, pastures, golf courses, and forested areas. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. Chemical control is not often necessary when dealing with fairy rings. However, you can apply some products to help control fungi on your property. Check out Consan 20. This 3-in-1 product works as a fungicide, disinfectant, and deodorizer. To treat lawns with this product, mix 2 tablespoons of concentrate with 1 gallon of water. You'll apply 1 gallon of solution for every 50 square feet. Depending on the size of your treatment area, we recommend you use either a handheld or a backpack sprayer. Use a fan or cone-shaped spray pattern to ensure the grass blades and foliage are evenly coated. Saturate the whole area, making sure to wet all plant and soil surfaces. Apply treatments only when the lawn is dry or damp. Do not apply during wet or rainy weather. Keep people and pets away from treated areas for 48 hours after application. Repeat applications every 10 to 14 days as needed. Prevention is essential to keeping lawn diseases in check. Even after applying fungicides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once fairy ring symptoms are no longer visible, keep up with basic lawn care maintenance to improve your yard's health and minimize potential fungus activity. Be sure to mow your grass tall and irrigate your lawn properly. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. These encourage deeper root development, reduce drought stress, and deter excessive water retention. When fairy rings develop in turf, this usually indicates a high nitrogen environment, so we recommend switching to a more balanced fertilizer that suits your lawn's needs. If you're unaware of your soil's nutrient makeup, a balanced general fertilizer with slow release functionality may be used. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop fairy rings from growing on your turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.